Hey guys, so if you have been around from start, you must have seen tank's ignition system. Now the first reaction that I expect from you guys is, what the heck is this? Now explaining that, I should explain all the options that we had when building the ignition system of the tank, which was a big challenge actually. And that's what this video is about. Ignition systems. Now the first method is to use filament from a bulb.
So I crack open a bulb. Note that this is a halogen lamp, not a normal tungsten one, since tungsten oxidizes in open air. Get the filament inside and use it for ignition. This much heat can easily ignite a matchstick.
Second method is to assemble a rocket igniter.
By taking two wires and using one single strand as a bridge. A good amount of current can easily ignite the match.
The third method is to use nichrome wire. Now nichrome wire is used as heating element in most of heating appliances. And as you know, we had Now all of these methods either require high voltage or high current, which is not what RC chips can give. So the system we made had two parts. One was used to create high voltage and other consists of fuel system and its turning on and off mechanism. But now we have MOSFET that can control high voltage or high current easily. And that's what this channel is about, to learn something new.